Once upon a time, in a land far away, lived an old bamboo cutter and his wife. They were kind-hearted but had no children of their own. Every day, the old man went into the bamboo forest. One sunny morning, as he was cutting bamboo, he saw a strange light coming from inside a bamboo stalk. Curious, he cut it open and found a tiny, glowing baby girl, no bigger than his thumb. He carefully took her home to his wife. The old couple was overjoyed. They named her Kagaya, which means Princess of the Shining Brightness. From that day on, every time the old man cut bamboo, he would find a small nugget of gold inside, making them rich. Kagaya grew rapidly, and in just 3 months, she became a beautiful young woman. Her beauty was so extraordinary that it shone like the moon, and news of her grace spread far and wide. Many noblemen, including 5 powerful princes, came to seek her hand in marriage. Kagaya, however, had no desire to marry. To discourage them, she set each suitor an impossible task. To the first, she asked for the Buddha stone begging bowl from India. The suitor returned with a dirty, ordinary bowl, claiming it was the one. Kagaya saw through his deception. To the second, she requested a jeweled branch from Mount Horai, a mythical island. He tried to trick her with a fake branch made by jewelers, but Kagaya noticed a flaw. The third suitor was sent to find the legendary robe of the fire rat from China. He brought back a robe that burned when tested, proving it was not the magical, fireproof one. The fourth was tasked with finding a dragon's jewel from its neck. A storm at sea prevented him from even attempting the task, and he returned empty-handed. The fifth suitor was asked to find a swallow's cowrie shell, a rare and dangerous feat. He fell from the nest and was injured, failing to retrieve it. Finally, the emperor himself heard of Kagaya's beauty and came to see her. He fell in love and asked her to marry him. Kagaya politely refused, explaining that she was not of this world and could not marry a mortal. The emperor, though saddened, respected her wishes. As summer turned to autumn, Kagaya would often gaze at the moon with tears in her eyes. The old couple grew worried. One night, she revealed her true origin. She was a princess from the Moon Kingdom, sent to Earth for a temporary stay, and her people were coming to take her back. The emperor, hearing of this, sent his guards to protect her. But on the night of the full moon, a celestial chariot descended from the sky. The guards were blinded by a brilliant light, and Kagaya, dressed in a feather robe, ascended to the moon, leaving behind a letter and a vial of elixir for the emperor and her adoptive parents. The old couple was heartbroken, and the emperor, filled with sorrow, ordered the elixir to be burned on the highest mountain, which was then named Mount Fuji, meaning immortal. Moral 1: Honesty is the best policy. The suitors tried to trick Kagaya with fake items, but she always saw through their lies. This teaches us that being honest is always the right choice. Lies might seem easy at first, but they always get discovered, and then trust is broken. Always tell the truth. Moral 2: True beauty comes from within. Kagaya was incredibly beautiful on the outside, but her true strength and wisdom came from her character. She was kind, intelligent, and stood firm in her decisions. This reminds us that while outward appearance can be striking, it's our inner qualities like kindness, courage, and honesty that truly make us special. Moral 3: Cherish your loved ones. The old bamboo cutter and his wife loved Kagaya deeply. They cared for her, and she brought joy and prosperity into their lives. Her departure left them heartbroken, showing how precious our family and friends are. Always appreciate and cherish the people who love you, because their presence is a gift. Subscribe for more enchanting stories and valuable lessons.